Hi buddy, Disney Nails and Beauty here with a Glitterbels haul this time. They've had a huge sale on for the back to work, so I had many points in my account, so I took advantage of that. Also, if you're not using your points, because you can't use a code whilst using your points, Charlie Jepson, she's given me permission to actually share her discount code, which is CHARLI, CHARLI, to get a further 5% off. Plus, when the sale is over, you'll still be able to use that Charlie discount to get 5% off any Glitterbels products. So let's dive in. I've done it. I'm going to take all the packaging out. Some thank you notes from the packer's name and stuff like that. I'm not gonna lie, I have actually already undone this lot, but I packed it all back up just for this video, as I did a live video of me unpacking it on TikTok. So like I said before, if you want to follow me over on there, then please do so, and enjoy coming in on my lives and saying hello, because I really enjoy interacting with you. And that, with the TikTok lives, it gives me a chance to actually interact with you in a real time zone, which is fantastic. So you can ask me questions if you want to see anything. If I can do it, then I will, or anything like that. So anyway, enough of all that, let's get on with this, and we'll take everything out of the box, I think. So just going to unravel everything as we go along. So the first one is Beauty Stardust, and this is a pink glitter with lots of different glitters in there. So we've got Wisteria, and this is a purple glittery one. Then we've got Guava. I think that's how you say it. Probably am saying it wrong. And this is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous green glitter. As you all know, I love green on my nails. So can't wait to try this one out. We've got a dazzling highlighter orange. As you can see, this is a very bright orange. It's got a bit of a shimmer going on in there. It probably did say shimmer underneath and I've not caught that. We've got Pink Crush, and we all know we all love the crushes, and this is no different. This is just absolutely stunning. Then we've got Rosette, how beautiful is that? That is just blows me away, that. I'm not even a pink person, but I love this. Although it could be red once it's done, but I'm going with a dark pink for me. I've got Emperor. Stunning blue. And I'm not sure if this Emperor one was actually on a further sale. I think it had a further like 25% off or something. There was a couple in this collection I've picked up this time that's actually was in there, but I'm pretty certain Emperor was one of them. And then we've got Delicious, which is a stunning purple. Yeah, so if they are, just go and check them out, guys. Get them while they're on the sale. Whether they're just discontinuing the colour or not, I've no idea, but there was some that was 25% off, plus you had your 20% off, which was just crazy in my opinion, but hey ho. Then we've got Sunbeam, this is gorgeous rustic goldy coppery colour. Stunning. Unicorn Dazzle. I don't really tend to use these dazzly ones, to be fair. I just want them to complete my collection, because I've now, with this order, got every single glitter acrylic they do. I'm about 20 odd pots short of the coloured acrylics now, and that's it. So I am a hoard of collections, I have to have them all. I really wish I wasn't that way in my brain, but I am. We have Lilac Crush. This is a stunning, gorgeous glitter again. It's very dainty, these glitters. Then we have Liquid Copper. Gorgeous. You can like see a shimmer there on the lid of what it is. Hopefully that transfers onto the nails. I do like all like the liquids, like the liquid silver, liquid gold. So then we've got Supreme Dazzle. Again, another one that will just be to finish my collection off. It's these strandy things again. It's just not something I lean towards getting, to be honest. I'm sure there's lots of nail techs out there that love them, but it's just not for me. You can't have every colour for everybody. Got a big spender. I know I really like this one. There we are. How gorgeous is that? Then we've got another one of these dazzles in citrus. We've got Citrus Dazzle. These like orange and yellow strands. Then we have Neon Fuchsia Shimmer. As you can tell by the pot straight away, it is a very, very bright pink. And that is, and it's got that glitter shimmer running through it. It's very pretty. Then we've got Gold Dust. Again, absolutely gorgeous, fine glitter running all the way through that. And then we've got this Juicy Stardust. There's lots of different glitter grades in there. There's shards, I'm not even sure, there's butterflies or hearts. Yeah, there's some butterflies and stuff in there. So I've not got any of these Stardust, only the ones that's in this package. So I can't wait to give them a try because they look so different, to be fair. Algae Gleam, which I love this one. No surprise there, it being green. And again, this is like a very, very fine glitter. It reminds me of one that I have on the Glam and Glitz glitter collection, but I couldn't tell you the name of it because I've not used it in such a long time. But it does remind me of one of those. It's stunning. Then we have Lady in Pink. This one is gorgeous. I'm not a big fan of pink nails, but I would wear this. And it's got like different tones of pinks and golds in there. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, just look at that sparkle. It's just leaping out the pot. It's just crazy. Absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to swatch these. And I will put a swatch video up for you, as usual. We've got Flutterfly. This one is super cute. Again, this one's got lots of butterflies in here. It looks like a clear acrylic with very like different pinks of glitter and a shimmery glitter in there. It just looks amazing. So when we swatch them, that's when you get the true what they really look like. But if I was swatching this video would be way too long, whereas the swatches I can just put each colour up for so many seconds after doing it, so it'll be a lot quicker for you to watch. Then we have Ballerina. And just look at that. It's stunning again. Reminds me very much of the Lady in Pink, but this has got more of a silver in it rather than a gold, if that makes sense. Then the next one we've got is Caribbean Sea. Absolutely gorgeous blue. Fine glitter again. Then we've got Sapphire. And don't quote me, but I think this was another one that had 25% off, plus you got the 15% off as well, plus the other 5%. So yeah, absolute bargain. This is absolutely stunning. But I am a sucker for blues, greens and yellows. I'd say they're like my staple colours for me. Then I've got Very Berry. Though I keep thinking I've got this in my collection, but I can't find it. But somebody said to me that Nail Nails have got this colour. So maybe I've just got this name in a different brand. I don't know. But it's stunning anyway. Absolutely stunning. Then we've got Sweetie Pie. When we read that, it just reminds me of Sweetie Pie, like with the cat. So I thought it was going to be yellow when I read it, but it's not. It's actually pink. It's very cute. Lots of different shards in there. We've got Sunny Stardust. This is a gorgeous lemony yellow with lots and lots of different glitters in there, glitter shards, hexagons, all different sizes of fine glitters. So you've got a multitude of glitter in there. Then we've got Dragon Tears. This is a gorgeous bronzy golden brown colour. Lots of glitter again, guys. Then we've got Tangerine. As you can see, this is very bright orange. Neon orange near enough. You can just look how bright that is on my thumb. Really, really bright. Got Supernova. Gorgeous shimmery colour in a brown coppery colour, chestnutty. And we've got Aqua Stardust. Like I say, I'm excited to try these Stardusts out. Got lots of different things in there. I can see butterflies and stuff. Again, I guess this is like going to be like a blue or a greeny tealy colour. Then we've got Petroleum. Stunning, absolutely stunning glittery blue again. I actually can't believe I haven't got all these blues, because normally like the blues are what colour I would normally go for each and every time. Blues, greens, yellows would be my colours to go to, and then I got all the rest in it like as and when. But obviously I've missed quite a few of the blues here. And the next one is Coral Stardust. I mean, just look at that. That is just gorgeousness in a pot. Got Minty Stardust. Another stunning glitter. And then we've got Orchid Princess. This is absolutely gorgeous purple. It's just stunning. Desert Crush. Another lovely sparkly one. Although to be fair, majority of these that was in here are from the glitter acrylic range. So, like I said, I wanted to complete that side of things. So I know I've got everyone. Don't need to go looking on there now because it was a bit of a pain. It took me hours and hours with my partner and myself sorting it out. Just because when you get so many, it's just so hard to realise what you've got, what you've not got, and every time you change the website, it changed up. It's just drove me potty, to be honest, but hopefully they'll sort it out soon, so it's going to be easier to tick off what you've got and what you've not got. Then we've got Prosecco. Now this one disappointed me. I thought it was going to be really glittery and shiny, but it's not. It's like a very, one of these matte glitters. Just with the name I'd have thought it'd be all sparkly and stuff. But I've been assured by somebody who watched my live, it's absolutely gorgeous on. So I'll have to wait till I've swatched it to make up my mind whether I like it or not. That one was Prosecco. Baby cake. This is a lovely baby pinky colour. That's really fine glitters in there, iridescent holographic type glitters. Be really nice to use like a baby reveal party type nails. We've got Paintball Party, which I'm super excited to try this out, just because I do like fish food, but this one's probably going to be my favourite out of them type of acrylics, just because of all the neons in it. It's very bright, great for people who like to go to raves and festivals and stuff like that. I know obviously in the past year we've not been able to do anything like that, but my daughter actually bought me a ticket because I've said I've always wanted to go to a festival, but I didn't want to do a stay over festival. I wanted to just do a day thing. So she bought me tickets last year to go to one, but obviously it got cancelled. But in September it's meant to be on this year, so I'll probably put that on for that, so I'll get into the festival vibes. And the last acrylic I have is Fantastic, and this one I wasn't going to think I was going to like, because like it's just another one to complete the collection, but I fell in love with it. I mean, how could you not fall in love with that pot of goodness? This is probably in the top 3 of my favourites that came, which I really, when I see it on the website, I was like, yeah, just added in to complete the collection and that's it. So yeah, so that was all the acrylics, guys. I got some new essentials, so I got like a new dehydrator and a new primer. Another no white top coat, because go through this like nobody's business, because obviously I don't just do it on me, I do it on my fake hands and stuff like that. And then I thought I'd try some of the cuticle oils. Got a pineapple one and a one in almond. So, and I also got some filters for my dust extractor on my table. So that's my haul, guys. I hope you liked it. Please comment, subscribe, follow me on other social medias, where the links will be down below. I really appreciate it when you watch it, and I will do these swatches and put a video up of it. I won't, it's a bit too late for you guys, but I'm thinking maybe tonight I could do a swatch video live on my TikTok, because today is the 9th of April. And my giveaway ended today. Well, it will end in 2 hours on Instagram, so I'm going to be doing a live anyway, so I might as well do a live of me doing the swatch sticks. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye.